In this video, we will show you how to wrap the text in Notepad. If you can see, the old Notepad cannot wrap the text. Okay, you can see here, if we copy some article or text, okay, let me show you how the old Notepad works. Okay, if we copy paste, the text look like this. You can see there. It's very difficult to see all the text or read all the text. Okay. Meanwhile, the WordPad application that using automatically wrap the text cannot find or cannot found on the newest Windows 11. You can see if we try to using WordPad, it's just WordPad for the information and not the software. Windows or Microsoft has been removed the WordPad. So now the Notepad has updated the new features. If we often using the WordPad application, now we can see or we can adjust to wrap the text by clicking the settings. Okay, now you can select word wrap here. Now you can read the text like if you are using WordPad application. And for some people, they often using WordPad. Now don't be worried, Notepad is like WordPad also, and beautifully Notepad automatically save your last work. For example, you not deliberate close the Notepad application, then we can open again a Notepad, and Notepad save our last work, and it's very beautiful. How you can get these new features, the word wrap for Notepad. Here I'm using this version of Windows 11, okay, with the OS build to 6090.112. And that's all tutorial how to set the Notepad to wrap the text. Hope this video helpful.